Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into ShapeShift, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the ShapeShift website. On the home page, locate the login button, typically found at the top right corner. Click on the login button to access the login page. You will see fields requesting your email address and password. Enter the email address associated with your ShapeShift account. Next, input your password in the designated field. Double-check that both entries are correct to avoid errors. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, retrieve your authentication code from your preferred app. Enter the authentication code when prompted. If everything is entered correctly, click the Login button. You will be redirected to your ShapeShift dashboard. From here, you can access various features and manage your account. If you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions to reset your password via the email sent to you. After resetting, return to the login page and enter your new password. Ensure your login credentials are saved securely for future access. Once logged in, explore the platform to familiarize yourself with its features. If you encounter any issues logging in, check for typos or ensure your internet connection is stable. For additional help, visit the ShapeShift support page for troubleshooting tips. Keep your account secured by regularly updating your password and enabling two-factor authentication. Now you're all set to use ShapeShift effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.